All right, first graders, what a great text for us to read today. The title of this text is called Johnny Appleseed. I'll bet you have heard of Johnny Appleseed before. Remember? He liked to plant apple seeds to grow apple trees because he really liked apples. This grade level text you can reach by clicking on the picture here, and it will open up in another tab the text Johnny Appleseed. Now, as we're looking at the cover, we're seeing that there's Johnny Appleseed eating a green apple, and we have some animals who are also with Johnny Appleseed. The crow is eating a red apple. Now this text is what we call a grade level text because right here we could see it's a level D. So that's right, maybe even a little below where we're supposed to be at this time of the year. Thinking about moving toward the level I by the end of the year. So this is a text that it should be within our reach. So let's turn the page and take a look. You're going to notice that there are high frequency words that we have been learning. You're going to find those as you read. You're going to notice that there's 1 or 2, maybe 3 lines of text on a page, and that the pictures can help you to figure out the words. Okay, I hope you enjoy this text about Johnny Appleseed. He's a pretty cool character. When you're finished reading, please keep your book open. Please don't exit out because you're going to need to refer back to this book in order to answer some questions here in just a moment. So don't close it out. Just click on today's assignment and go back to that one to go to the next page. All right, guys, happy reading.